Here's the Talk Tech and welcome back. Today, the odds from the hacked app is what I'm going to give you, and it is 90 to 99% winning assured, because these odds, they are predictions from the hacked app but not fixed, okay, but they have 90 to 99% winning assured, of which you can try your luck on these odds to know how these odds are going to bless us for today. Yesterday, their predictions from the Too Sure odds, we won it, okay, yeah, we won it, and this app is so far one of the best that I've seen since I came across with this app, of which I've been using it to do my analysis, use it to stake, and also win a lot from this app. So today, their sure and solid 2 odds is what I'm going to give you. Make sure you try your luck on these odds and let know how these odds are going to bless us for today. So without wasting my time, let me quickly take you to my phone to know the odds from the hacked app, which include 2 odds, 5 odds, 10 and a whooping 100 odds, of which you can try your luck on, as well as just picking your selections from these odds and trying it for today, so as to know how we are going to be blessed for today. So now let's get into the odds. So the 2 odds, they tipped West Ham versus Newcastle United. They tipped over 1.5 goals in the full match. Besiktas versus Gaziantep, they tipped double chance for Besiktas, and they tipped Kocaelispor versus Ankaragu, they tipped double chance for Kocaelispor. So these are the sure and strong 2 odds from the hacked app, which is their predictions, okay. So let's quickly go to their 10 plus odds. So their 10 plus odds, they tipped West Ham versus Newcastle United, they tipped over 1.5 goals, the same over 1.5 goals. Lazio versus Udinese, they tipped over 1.5 goals in the full match. Besiktas versus Gaziantep, they tipped straight win for Besiktas, which is giving an odd of 1.6. Kocaelispor versus Ankaragu, they tipped double chance for Kocaelispor, which is giving an odd of 1.25. Young PSV versus OS, they tipped both teams to score, which is giving an odd of 1.45. Also, Young Utrecht versus Vitesse, they tipped over 1.5 goals in the format, giving an odd of 1.3. And also, when you go to Germany BBL League, they tipped Göttingen versus Vecha, that is straight in for Vecha, giving an odd of 1.3. So these odds, when you combine it, you get a whooping 10 plus odds, okay. And also, my analysis from their prediction is what I'm going to give you, okay. Per my own, I tipped West Ham versus Newcastle United. I tipped Newcastle over 1.5 goal, that's Newcastle to score. Besiktas versus Gaziantep, I tipped straight in for Besiktas, because Besiktas is playing home and they have strong holds at their home ground, okay. And Kocaelispor versus Ankaragu, I tipped straight in for Kocaelispor, okay, straight in for Kocaelispor. Also, my selection from their prediction, I tipped Young PSV versus OS, I tipped both teams to score, that is go in the full match. And that of the Young Utrecht versus Vitesse, I tipped over 2.5 goals in the full match for the Young Utrecht versus the Vitesse, okay. And this, my own predictions, is giving a whooping odds of 10 plus, okay. You can add it to your selections. One thing I want you to know is that these odds are not fixed, but they are predictions from the hacked app, which is 90 to 99% winning assured, of which you can try your luck on, okay. So let's all try our luck on these odds to know how these odds are going to bless us for today. And we hope to see grace for today. And as a disclaimer, I disclaim that I'm not a financial advisor, just a YouTuber, but I'm showing you how I make money and through staking. So therefore, I am not responsible for any profit or loss through this video. Make sure you do your own research. Do your own research before you stake, and stake what you can afford to risk, because this is an online thing. And remember, this video is for educational purpose as well. Here's the Talk Tech, and we shall meet again in the next video. Greetings once again.